Hey everyone, I am Bryce, and today I am going to explain to you how to add streams in multiple platforms using OBS. Start by downloading the OBS Studio using your laptop or PC. Open OBS and click on Help, which is the last option on the menu bar at the top. Click on Check for updates. If there is an update, then you have to update. Otherwise, it will show you no updates available. Now go to your browser like Google Chrome and search obsproject.com. You have to go to Resources on the menu bar and click Go to Download on the right side corner of the screen. It will take you to the download area and keep scrolling down. After scrolling, you will see the section Assets with different links. We have to download OBS Multi-RTMP, the fourth link, and it'll start downloading. Click on the recently downloaded link and click Install after processing. After installation, click on Close and search OBS Studio on your desktop. Click on the installed file and open OBS. Click on Settings shown at the bottom right of the screen. From the settings, click on Stream and you can now connect the account or use the Stream key. Click on Scene Collection and select New from the drop-down menu. Enter the name of your collection and click OK. You can see different features from the menu bar and use them as required. Click on Start Streaming. Click Yes to start the stream and cancel the other setup. On that note, that will be it for this video. I hope you guys got some value. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.